Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, we first gonna go ahead, access our app store and make sure that our Instagram app is updated. If it's not, you're gonna find this update option. Make sure to tap on it and update it, because if it's not, then that will cause your phone app to work slow and lag in between. Now afterwards, open up your Instagram app. So for me, I'm gonna go to my settings and simply log out first. Once you have logged out, this is how it's gonna appear, right? So let's say you have tapped on this log into another account and you would want to simply add in the information, and you're trying to log in and you're getting that message. First reason could be that you're entering wrong password, or either the wrong username or email or mobile number, whatever you have information wrong, and trying plenty of times even though Instagram have told you that it's wrong. So for that, what you're gonna do to prevent it, tap on this option of forgot password and enter your email or username, tap on continue and get the verification code and recreate your new password, which will be correct. Come back and add in the information. Other thing you can do is you can simply ask your friend to access their Instagram and search for your username correctly. If you don't even remember your email or mobile number, add in the username and add in the correct password and log in. So that will simply solve your problem. So make sure to do that and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.